How much have you made from YouTube, you think, in total?
Basically in YouTube total, I think I don't have because there's a lot of side income streams as well. Like obviously you have like sponsorships, but I think it would be closer to 2.5 million in revenue, and that's been before my 21st birthday. Yeah, I did, and I can show you really quickly. I did like 200 grand of that in like 2 months. I'll show you and
this is long form videos.
This is long form videos. It was 11, just on one channel, it was 11 million long form views a month with at $11 RPM. So that's like how much you get paid per 1,000 views.
This is Noah Morris. By the age of 21, when many of us were just starting our careers, he had made millions, not through a big business or extraordinary struggle, but by creating videos on YouTube and leveraging YouTube automation.
But how? Is it that easy, which you and I both missed? And most importantly, can you do that now?
In this video, we will find out all those answers from the man himself. Noah started as a Minecraft creator, making less than $100 a month from AdSense. Now he runs over 20 faceless channels and made about $2.5 million from different income sources like sponsorships. His channels grew quickly and then lost views, causing his analytics to change a lot.
Some people feel he is disconnected from other YouTubers because of his earnings and the number of channels he manages. However, he knows that YouTube has many ways to succeed and finds underserved markets with a lot of growth potential for quick income. He also creates branded channels run by a team that posts several times a week.
One of his standout projects was a commentary on US politics, which got 1.5 million views in just 48 hours, making him $2,000 to $6,000 each day. He has probably run hundreds of channels, managing around 18 to 20 in different niches, and started his journey in 2018, inspired by successful channels like Watch Mojo and Screen Rant.
He was first introduced to faceless videos when some people reached out on Twitter to see if he wanted to be an editor for them. They offered him $200 per video, which felt significant for his age. He started working with them and soon realized he could outsource editing to Fiverr editors, creating a freelance team.
Around 14 or 15, he thought about starting his own channel, inspiring him to build his brand. And that way, by 16, he was already making $10,000 to $15,000 a month from ad revenue, more than his teachers in school.
His mom initially thought the Google AdSense payments were illegal. For the first 3 to 4 years, he managed everything, writing scripts, voiceovers, and editing. He believes in mastering each aspect before hiring others, as many fail due to poor communication.
This understanding helps him guide freelancers effectively, allowing him to scale his operation and create templates for better communication and feedback. He mostly focuses on growing his brand through Twitter and takes YouTube as a business because many creators were transitioning from hobbyists to serious entrepreneurs.
According to him, his success stems from quickly executing ideas when he spots interesting opportunities. He found his unique niche with his channel, Court Cases. In this channel, the second video received 5 million views and generated $20,000, despite only costing $250 to produce. With this level of success, one might consider quitting their job to start a faceless YouTube channel. However, to succeed, finding a profitable niche is essential.
The best-paying niches include sports, celebrity content, crime-related content, and anything popular with American audiences, as they have higher RPMs, especially in Q4, which can reach $14 to $15. Once you find a niche, consider its saturation. You can either create high-quality content to compete in any niche, or quickly enter a new niche with lower-quality content to gain a first-mover advantage.
Next, come up with topics by emulating successful channels. For example, with Court Cases, he initially looked at the channel Courtroom and other older related channels like A&E. He studied their successful videos and adapted the topics for his channel, integrating trends like Jeffrey Dahmer. Remember, always make your decisions based on facts, stats, and past performance, not emotions.
Here's what you need to do. First, you should find a team that matches your passion. Once you identify your niche market and topic, you'll know who to hire. For scriptwriters, it's important to find someone who is passionate about the subject matter and loves the topic, even if they don't know much about YouTube retention, over someone who's a retention expert but doesn't understand the topic. The scriptwriter should connect with the target audience first.
Your video editor, on the other hand, doesn't need to know his niche. Instead, he should look for someone who understands retention-based editing and can tell compelling stories by selecting the right clips.
Now, what about thumbnails? Many creators struggle with this, whether they run a faceless channel or not. So, you can design thumbnails yourself at first because many talented designers may not understand what makes people click. Or you should try this AI tool for free. With pixels, the power is in your hands to create thumbnails that stand out and perform. Take a look at these results. You can give him a try for free using the link in description.
Now let's talk about the retention hacks. Noah usually advises scriptwriters to review competitors' channels and pay attention to comments and relative YouTube retention. Retention is more about understanding what interests the audience than about secret editing techniques. It's about knowing what drives them to act, comment, and watch more.
And how much does it typically cost to start a faceless channel?
According to Noah, for beginners, it might take up to a month to get started. He believes that if he launches a channel on his own, he can get the first video running in about 2 weeks. He usually starts seeing returns around the 12th video. If each video costs $100 to produce, it would take $1,200 to break even. For beginners, he'd estimate around $3,000 to $3,500 for 35 videos at $100 each. So, until the 35th video, the beginner content creators might have to struggle a bit.
But what's the hardest part of YouTube automation?
As Noah said, the video editing is more crucial than you can imagine for any faceless channel. But in the beginning, the first biggest hurdle is finding the best niche for you, which is both goods and easy to work on. So now tell me, what did you learn from Noah's journey?
Are you also ready to start your own YouTube automation adventure like him? And as Noah said, if you are also struggling to find a good niche for your channel, this is the video you need to watch. And after that, everything will be easier for you.